Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for all of you, wherever you are. Okay, everybody, back with me again. So today is 6th of March 2025. Okay, now it's almost midnight in my hometown, and today we just going straight away to my MT5 chart. Of course, still with IC market Australia. Okay, now take a look at with the Ichimoku chart. It is my trading system. Everybody know that I'm using Ichimoku, and now only have one open position. So I took this position. So I opened the position is yesterday on the 5th of March. Yesterday, and that mean is today is already one day pass away for this position. Okay, for the moment I'm floating 20 US dollar. I put already my my stop loss to break even. You can check here. Okay, I move this. You check my the cursor in the screen. So I move this to break even point. Okay, and the take profit level. Well, actually, I put this little bit late. This is take profit is 40 points from the open position level from the buy position. I just decided to put it here. Okay, so normally for my trading I'm using 4 hours time frame and above 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hour daily, but because I didn't find any good setup, so I just try to scalp little bit with Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see here the blue arrow is the the point that I decided to start to buy. Okay, and here the Kumo is green. Chico span also outside. So basically, according to this Ichimoku trading system, of course, this is considered good setup. Okay, not really a setup, but it's considered good because when we're talking about the 1 hour time frame is quite low. So I think this is considered okay. Okay, okay, everybody, guys, be honest with you. Okay, here I have gold here. Here I have the normal forex pair, but Bitcoin. To be honest, me personally, I have no idea anything about Bitcoin. Okay, it's just I just put it here in my chart because I just want also to know the development from Bitcoin from time to time. Even to be honest, okay, to be honest, I have no idea anything at all about Bitcoin, and I'm trading here only maybe 1 or 2 times when I feel that there's a good position, but most of the time I just trade a normal forex pair. Okay, so bear with me. So if you ask me about Bitcoin, my answer is sorry, I cannot answer it because I have no idea, and I just only based by the technical analysis only. So my opinion is not really something that you can trust. Okay, and don't you ever trust me because I'm just the ordinary guy. Okay, I'm not really smart to predict the future about Bitcoin. Okay, people, be honest. Okay, a lot of my friends they're talking about Bitcoin. They ask me so many questions why I'm not investing in Bitcoin, why I'm not buy any Bitcoin at all. So to be honest, I only I'm only trading something that I understand about it. I understand the product. Okay, forex or foreign exchange. I understand it because I've been doing this more than 10 years, and Bitcoin. Okay, I know maybe 5 years ago, but I'm not really sure what's the fundamental, the technical analysis. Okay, if you can check the chart also, the chart from Bitcoin also. Well, just like up and down. This is a set way daily from the daily chart. You can see the Bitcoin set ways in December. Okay, this is Bitcoin. This is sideway, daily chart, weekly. Okay, this is the good thing is okay. The price is always going up, always bullish, bullish, bullish all the time. But back again, okay, when I have no idea about something, I will not buy this. I will not invest about this. I invest in stocks, yes, in stock markets, but not in Bitcoin. Okay. For me, if people they make million or billion US dollar from Bitcoin because of go to the moons or whatever people call this. So for me, it doesn't matter. I'm not envy of them. Yeah, for me, I just trade what I know. Okay, so it's not really a big deal if other people they make million from Bitcoin or not. Okay, some people they are crying they lose a lot of money from Bitcoin, but for me, yeah, I just try to survive with forex only. Okay, if now you see my trading account, maybe 2 weeks ago, my trading account, my equity surpassed 10,000 US dollars. Okay, and now back again a little bit. I have little bit trade on, and then now I try to climb back to surpass the 10,000 US dollar. Okay, not so bad. I think not so bad because if you watch my previous vlog in January, February, I made more than 1,300 US dollar. Okay, so I will keep you update about this position. Okay, if you notice here, okay, in this volume, I'm using really the smallest amount, the smallest lot size. I'm using only 0.01 lot size. Okay, normally I'm using zero point 0.5. Okay, with 5,000 US dollar, I'm using 0.5 lot size, and because Bitcoin is not my thing, so I'm using the smallest amount from what is available here for me. Okay, 0.01. Well, if for example tomorrow, okay, tomorrow the stop loss, this is break even point plus, so hopefully that I will not get hit. So basically, I'll lose nothing because now is break even point plus. Okay, and in 1 hour, Manchester United will play against Real Betis. I think yes, for UEFA Champions League. UEFA Champions League. Hopefully, the Manchester United will do something. Okay, this is really really pain in the ass to watching Manchester United. Okay, sorry, this is a little bit intermezzo because this is football is the main world. Okay, this is football. You cannot live without football. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Keep healthy, keep profit. Always watch your money management. Okay, and I'll see you for the next update, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, Saturday. Okay, thanks for watching and ciao. Thank you.